Flocks of more than 100 giant pelicans, wingtip to wingtip, carving the sky above Deer Lagoon. How do these 15-pound birds soar so effortlessly? And what would happen if this secret gem of Whidbey Island vanished tomorrow? My name is Declan Travis, and after years of photographing birds in my backyard, I discovered that Deer Lagoon, just minutes from town, is a nationally designated important bird area. To capture magic, you just need to step onto this trail. Watch how each pelican angles its wingtips like a surfer riding a wave. No flaps wasted. Quick quiz, how many fish can one pelican scoop in a single dive? Stay with me till 2:15 and I'll reveal the record. And here's another breathtaking moment of pelican magic. But it's not just pelican showmanship that matters here. Since 2004, Deer Lagoon's 379 acres have been protected. But that protection is receding faster than an outgoing tide. If this nature preserve disappears, these pelicans won't just fly somewhere else. They may not return at all. The answer, up to 40 fish in one scoop, enough to feed a family breakfast. Every walk here reminds me that we all hold a piece of this story, whether through mindful visits, volunteer cleanups, or simply by sharing its beauty. If Deer Lagoon stirs wonder in you, hit subscribe and let's keep these giants in flight together.